Hi guys, I was asked a little bit late for me to do this, but I was asked questions about Chapter 14, Multiple Regression, where you're asked to calculate a confidence interval and also a prediction interval for a series for a set of x1, x2, x3 values. The example I think we'll do is 14.1.7. Or is it 14.1.17? Let's see. 14.1.7. And I was told to do one of those Ask My Instructor questions. You can see the question on the screen. The first step is you click on the icon to look at the data. You then click on this overlapping rectangles to cut and paste it to copy the data. And now we go into StatCrunch. StatCrunch, we want to, which is an Excel type program which does statistics and does all the statistics that you need for this class. Let's go into data, load data. From paste, and paste for data from clipboard, because we just copied it to the clipboard. And here's the data separated by commas, so we're separating it by comma, and we say hit OK, and we should have the data. Now we have the data table. We go into stat, down to regression, pick multiple linear regression, which is chapter 14. We tell the computer that the y variable is standby hours, x1 is total staff, x2 is remote. There's no interactions. We're not centering. We're going to go on to the next level. We don't want any of these fancy techniques that we didn't even learn about. And we want to calculate 95% confidence intervals and 95% prediction intervals. Now, in order to do that, we have to basically be able to add those two x values. I think the question said make this 310 and make the remote hours 400. Let's double check that. When make a calculate a confidence interval when $310 and remote hours is 400 right here. So we actually put those numbers into the table under the remote hours 400, for example. Back here, say calculate, and it gives us a whole bunch of statistics such as the slopes and the estimate of the slope and the intercept, the coefficients, the b0, the b1, the b2, the p-values for these significant variables, the p-value for the overall regression. But what we're going to see the results found on the output itself. So, for example, the 95% confidence intervals for the prediction interval for a particular value is 141 to 179. That's for the mean, because and the confidence interval for the prediction, which is a specific value, which is much less accurate, is 84 to 236. So 141 to 179, and 84 to 236. So let's go back to the Ask My Instructor. And let's see, we have the 141 to 179 is correct, and here we just said the answer was, let's go back again, 84.9 to 36.2. 84.9 236.2. Check answer. And we got it right. Okay, so hopefully that was helpful. Again, like always, please give me feedback so I can improve it for subsequent classes.